In today's video, we'll dive deep into the technical details and unique features of this off-road powerhouse that's built to conquer any terrain. The RHO commands attention with its bold and aggressive design. Borrowing elements from the Ram 1500 Rebel, it features a textured upper grille, a redesigned front bumper, and exclusive black RHO badging. Adding to its rugged look, the dual 5-inch black exhaust tips deliver not just style, but also a thunderous roar that signals its power. Under the hood, the RHO says goodbye to the supercharged V8 engine of the TRX and welcomes a 3.0-liter Hurricane high-output twin-turbocharged inline-six. This engine produces an impressive 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. Despite the cylinder reduction, its performance remains thrilling, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.5 seconds, according to car and driver estimates. An 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters ensures you have complete control over this beast. The RHO offers 9 drive modes: Mud Sand, Rock, Baja, Vala, Auto, Tow, Snow, Sport, and Custom. The Custom mode allows drivers to fine-tune multiple parameters for a tailored driving experience. Its launch control feature ensures explosive starts with minimal wheel slip by precisely managing wheel speed and engine power. Equipped with Bilstein Blackhawk E2 adaptive dampers, the RHO adjusts to terrain conditions in real time, monitoring speed, acceleration, braking, torque, and more. Its air suspension, specially tuned for the RHO, provides 30 centimeters of ground clearance, with suspension travel of 33 centimeters in the front and 35.5 centimeters in the rear, ensuring exceptional off-road articulation. Technology is another area where the RHO excels. The Uconnect 5 infotainment system, featuring a 14.5-inch split-screen touchscreen, supports up to 2 connected devices. Meanwhile, the premium Harman Kardon sound system, boasting 18 speakers and a subwoofer, delivers immersive audio. For added convenience, dual wireless charging pads let you power 2 devices simultaneously. Inside, the RHO prioritizes luxury and comfort. Premium leather seats come standard, and the flat-bottom leather-wrapped steering wheel emphasizes its sporty nature. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster provides vital vehicle and navigation information, while a 10.25-inch passenger touchscreen enhances the experience with additional entertainment options. Safety is paramount in the RHO, which boasts over 100 driver assistance and safety features, including automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The hands-free active driving assist takes it further, combining adaptive cruise and lane keeping to ensure smooth and safe driving on highways. Despite its off-road focus, the RHO doesn't compromise on towing capacity. It can tow up to 8,385 pounds and has a payload capacity of 1,520 pounds. The Ram 1500 RHO 2025 will debut in the Canadian market in fall 2024 with a starting price of $71,990. While only one trim is available, optional packages like the RHO Equipment Group add features such as the 14.5-inch touchscreen, a 360-degree camera system, heated and ventilated front seats with massage, a head-up display, and the Harman Kardon premium sound system. And that's our review of the Ram 1500 RHO 2025. While it trades the roar of a V8 for the power of 6 cylinders, it's poised to continue the legacy of the TRX and dominate the toughest terrains. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next one.